a grub, but they don't know what you're capable of. Or you don't butterfly, you're feeling sorry for yourself, and you want so bad to be something else. Well, there's an old process called metamorphosis. Give it a try and be a butterfly. Anytime you stop dragging all them feet about the place, just as soon as you burst your cocoon, you won't recognize your face. The more you have to struggle through, the sweeter victory tastes to you. From the ashes, beauty flashes, that's the cry of the butterfly.
Things can change overnight, so don't be glum. It'll be alright.
Oh, trust me, son, your life's about to take an astounding route. You're a brave feller, young caterpillar. I see you flying high in a fancy suit. Well, crowds of bugs and crawling things will gaze in wonder at your wings. So go out and face them. Just a grub, but they don't know what you're capable of. You don't either. Here's a reminder now.